Hi, good morning, and this is the third and the last video of the day. So, we are going to do the key concept. How is the volume of a cone related to the volume of cylinder? Of course, essential question answer is here. Hmm, But we can write that volume of cone is equal to 1/3 of cylinder. Or you can also write cylinder is 3 times cone. I'm talking about the volume, okay? Volume of cylinder and volume of cone. Volume of cone is 3 times the volume of cone. Volume of a cylinder is 3 times volume of a cone. What dimensions do you need to find the volume of cone? Volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we need the r, that is radius, and we need the height to find the volume. If you know a cone's radius, so I will draw a cone. So if I know the radius of a cone, and so if I name this as A, this is C, this is B, if I know the hypotenuse, if I know this, I can use Pythagorean theorem to find the height, which is P. What must you know before you find the volume? I need to know the height. The height. How will you find the height? To find height, I will use c square minus a square is equal to b square, okay, or Pythagorean theorem. Now, Wanda found a cone shell, seashell on the back. Shell has a height and a base, means radius. Okay, if I know the radius and height, I can just use volume equals 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi they told me to use as 22 by 7. R is 8, so I will write 8 twice because it's square. Height is 63. Now what you do, all the numbers on numerator you multiply and divide by 21. So you should get the answer as 4224 millimeter cubic. Now here I have to find the volume, but they did not give me the radius. They gave me the slant height. So C is given. Suppose this is P, A is not given. So I know C square minus B square is equal to A square. So C is 41 minus B square, which is 40, is equal to A square. Okay, so 41 square is 41 times 41, which is 1681. 40 square is 40 times 40, which is 1600, is equal to A square. So 81 is equal to A square. If you radical 81, you get 9 is equal to A. Now I know that the radius is 9. I have to find the volume, and the pi is 3. 1 by 3 pi r square h. So I will do 1 by 3 times 3.14 times r square means 9 times 9, and h is 40. This is our h times 40. So if you multiply 3.14 times 9 times 9 times 40 divided by 3, you should get something around 3391.40. The units are millimeters, so millimeters cubic is your answer. Okay, find the volume of a cone in terms of pi. So we don't know the radius, but we know the height and we know the circumference, and we don't have to use pi as anything, keep pi as pi. The circumference is equal to 2 pi r. They give the circumference as 1.4 pi is equal to 2 pi r. So I want to find the r, so I'll keep r as it is. 2 pi, divide by 2 pi on both the sides. So this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled. Pi and pi gets cancelled. 1.4 divided by 2 is 0.7. That is equal to r. Once I know the r, I do volume equals 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is equal to 1 by 3. Pi I have to keep as pi. R is 0.7 times 0.7 times 2.7. So what you do is on your calculator, 0.7 times 0.7 times 2.7 divided by 3, and you should get 0.441 feet cubic. Do not forget to write the units of measurement. And that's our last question of the day. Guys, if you have any questions, I do have a live session. Please join the live session. If someone is there, I may continue. Otherwise, first 10 minutes I'm there. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and ask me. Thanks for watching. See you again in the last section, 8.4. Bye guys. Have a nice day.